Hello friends, this is your friend Yusuf Alari over here. Welcome to my video series Trade to Earn. Now this is the part 3 of the series of educational videos for the beginner as well as professional traders. Video will be beneficial to bond, currency, commodity and stock traders. This is the second W. Please watch my earlier video to understand the concept. Okay, I am not going to earlier to what moves the market. We are going to discuss what moves the market, what makes the trend in the market or lack of it. The first thing that makes the market moves are called business cycles. They are very important. Okay, so what is business cycle? And there are different types of business cycle, and there may have a relationship of opposite or co-movement. One sector, for example, crude sector may be having a downtrend like it is having right now, and it may affect the auto sector, and the auto sector will go up. So there may be a relationship between two sectors in same direction or opposite direction. This is called business cycles, and they are very long-term duration in nature. Now another cycle is called inflation cycles. Now inflation cycles play very important role, especially in bond market. You should know when you are trading what kind of cycle you are in. If you are in a deflation cycle, the interest rate will go up or down. What will Fed do? What will the governor do? That are that lot of concept based on inflation cycles. Okay. Now there may be a up cycle, there may be a down cycle in inflation, and there are different names to it. I will be doing this in another video, especially for business cycles and inflation cycles. So keep watching and please do subscribe. Now coming to another important theory of economics, which is called supply and demand theory. Everything in economy works in supply and demand theory. Okay, if there is no demand, what is the use of producing? You should have a demand or create a demand to produce something. The opposite is also true. If there is excess of supply, the prices may go down. So the whole theory of economics stands on these two legs called supply and demand. Very important concept, and we will be doing it. Okay. Now the another thing is the release of economical data every day, every hour. So many data are released worldwide by the banks, governments, private companies, results. So economical data are the points or the news that makes the market moves. You should know from where to get those data and how it is going to impact the stock market in general and a particular sector in general. What will bond do? What will gold do? It all depends on economical data. Okay, so we will be doing a important video on this, especially for economical data. Okay, then there is another concept which makes the market move, is called liquidity or lack of it. What is quantitative easing? Quantitative easing is a very important tool used by the developed country. You must be aware Fed was using quantitative easing. There is a quantitative easing going on in Japan, European zone, in Britain. So we will be understanding a quantitative easing in a special video. Then there may be a political stability or lack of it. There may be a lot of uncertainty. Government may change may take a sudden move that will change some kind of important policies that makes the market moves. So you must keep an eye on political development also in your country and around the world. Okay, then there is a tensions of wars, especially if suddenly North Korea decides to fire a missile on Japan. Every business economical data will go for a toss. The VIX may rise. What is VIX? We will understand the concept of VIX when I make a video on it. Then there are natural calamities. Nobody knows. It strikes suddenly. A few years back, if you remember, there was the earthquake hit the coastal area of Japan, and it was near the nuclear power plant. And if you see, there was a sudden sharp decline in Nikkei. So these are the few few things which makes the market moves, especially economical data which are released every day, every hour by some or other country's government. These are very important concept, and you should understand how it is going to affect, what sector it is going to affect, and to what stocks. Okay, there will be a release of crude data. So especially oil marketing company may take a hit or they may rise. Then what we will doing in the next video now is we are going to discuss business cycles. Okay, the business cycle which I talked about, now I am going to next video and I will explain you what kind of business cycles there are and how it affects. So again I will suggest and request to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you for watching my video. We will meet again in my next video. Thank you.